piece is called Dúchann, which literally means melody. And it's kind of ironic because my piece doesn't have a lot of melody built into it. But what it does have is my experience of melody, particularly traditional melodies, as a young trad performer growing up and learning tunes. And I had the opportunity to work with some of the performers from the Dúchann to record them so that I could use them in my piece. So they are, in some way, my memory, my distant memories, and how that feeds into what I do as a composer today. There is essentially an electronic part that plays alongside my score that uses the young musicians from the Dúchann, and they get transformed and they disappear into the sound of the piano. The piano is quite a full, rich, washy part that moves from, I suppose, more timbral fabric wallpaper kind of sounds to more rhythmic, punchy stuff that might be more akin to what I would do as a trad performer. IMBOLC is an extraordinary festival, particularly because it has trad music at its core, but not only the pure drop, so to speak, but the fact that it's a living tradition, it's evolving, that lots of performers in the tradition are doing weird and wonderful things with their music.